Once you've got a web hosting account, installing WordPress is a breeze. Because it's so popular, most web hosting companies offer an easy, one-click WordPress installation. But what that looks like is going to vary a little bit from one host to another. You may have had an option when you first signed up to go ahead and install WordPress automatically, or you may have to go into your control panel and do it there. If you do decide to use SiteGround, here's what that process is going to look like after you've created your account. Once you log into the SiteGround customer area, you should see a welcome message inviting you to create or migrate your website. To get started, click the Setup Site button. On the next page, select Start New Website and choose WordPress as your application. At the bottom, you'll create your WordPress admin account by entering an email address and a password. This is what you'll use to sign in and manage your website. Once you've entered that, click Continue. You'll probably be asked again if you want to add the SG Site Scanner service. You do not have to do this. You can just click Finish at the bottom, and guess what? In a few minutes, your website will be up and running. Now, before we move on, let me be the first to congratulate you. You just took a major first step. You literally have a live website up and running now. Seriously, open up a new tab and type in your domain name. It's not much yet, but it's there, and now we're ready to customize it. From now on, you'll be managing your website from your WordPress dashboard, which you can find by adding /wp-admin to the end of your domain name. For example, yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Go ahead and log in using the email address and password you chose in the previous step. The first time you log into your dashboard, SiteGround is going to show you this wizard that walks you through some of the initial setup stuff like choosing a theme and installing plugins. You can go through this if you want, but I'm actually going to skip it and go straight into WordPress because I want to show you how to do those things on your own without relying on the wizard. So we'll click Exit at the bottom here, and then you'll see your main WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage every part of your website, from your theme and appearance to your pages, blog posts, settings, and so on. At first, you may feel overwhelmed by all the various menus and options, but don't worry, it doesn't take long to get comfortable with WordPress. Remember, you can always access your WordPress dashboard by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin.